In this video, I'm going to create a page that is about page, and without wasting time, let me take you through this. So the first thing, I'm going to create a class called a container, and within this class, I'm creating a h1 tag, and this heading will be about us, like that. Now I'm also going to create another class, and that class will be, I'll say, box. And within this box class, I'm going to create another h1 tag, and I will say welcome to our website. Okay, now I'm going to add a paragraph here. So I'll say I will open p tag, then I will have a paragraph here with 8 okay. Now after this paragraph, I need to have a button, and this button will be learn more. Learn more. Now let me go to my CSS, and before that, let me check it on a browser. There you are, you can see. Let me apply CSS to this one. Now let me open my CSS file. I'll begin with the body. First, I need to style my body and the background color. This background color, I'm going to use this color code. This color code here, right? Then I'm moving on to this class container. And I will say width of this container should be 1140 pixel, and then the height should be 100 VH. Then I will also say margin, I want it to be auto. Okay, now on my HTML file, we also have this heading 1. So I'm going to say dot container heading 1. Now I want this heading to have a font size of at least 50 pixel. Then font weight should be bold. The color of this heading, I want it to have this color code, that is this color code EF5F55. I think this one is okay. Then I'll have to align this text or heading to the center. The next thing is I need it to have a space from the top. If you can check, we don't have a space here. You see, I need it to, this heading to have space from the top. Now what I'm going to add here, I will say margin top, I'll use at least 65 pixel. That one will be okay. Now if you can check from our browser, there is a space already. Now I need to move on to this class called box. It is somewhere here. I'm going to copy it. I will say dot box. Now this box, I need to float it to the left. Then width of this should be at least 50%. Then I will say margin top should have some space. Margin top, I will work with 55 pixel, right? Then the next thing is, you see, when you check on this box, it has this heading 1. Now we need to apply CSS to that. I will say dot, dot box heading 1, right? Then width of this should be again 475 pixel. No bad with that. Then I will say I will align this. I have to align it to the left. Okay, heading 1 should be aligned to the left side. Then font size, I will choose this size. 40 pixel will be okay. Color of this text or of this heading, I'll use this color code. I will still use this color code. Yeah, that one will be okay. Then there is this one. We have paragraph here. So I'm going to say dot box p. So this paragraph should have width of 475 pixel, and I will say I will align it to, I'll say justify. I have to justify that paragraph. Then font size of that paragraph, I'm choosing 18 pixel. Then it has to have a margin, a space from the top. So I'll say margin top. So it should have this space of 18 pixel. Now let's check the result. Now you see it looks good. Now the next thing is I need to apply some CSS to this button here. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to say button. Now with this button, font size of the text, font size, I'll say font size should be at least 18 pixel. So the text of that button should be 18 pixel. Now margin top, because it has, like, if you can check, it needs to have a space here from this paragraph. So I'm going to say margin top and at least have like 25 pixel. Okay, then color of that text, the color of the text, I'm going to choose white, this color code, right? Then the background of that button, I'm still going to use this color code. The next thing is padding. Padding, I'm going to choose 10 pixel and 20 pixel. Then that button should have a radius, border radius. So I'm going to say border radius, and this radius I'm going to work with at least 20 pixel. Now if we can check, you can check, see our button now looks nice.